Facing too many factories in China? Having difficulty managing your production? In Tiroflx, we help our customers to source manufacturer and control their production. From sourcing to manufacturing, from price negotiation to quality control, and from product development to worldwide shipment. Start sourcing smart today. Tiroflx, your A to Z global manufacturer of high-quality products in China. Leading your OEM and ODM project. In a competitive market where mistakes cost money, you owe yourself a partner who will back you up in the complex manufacturing process. Tiroflx successfully producing and exporting over 10,000 different items in many categories, shipping them worldwide to our long-lasting customers, using 500 ocean containers each year. With over 20 years of experience in Chinese manufacturing industry and dozens of worldwide satisfied customers, Tiroflx is your manufacturer's partner in China.